everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the intro there in the beginning of the video, the work's begun on my truck. So I've got a little red Ranger out there that I'm going to be driving back and forth for a while. Started off with pulling my fuel tank out, drive shaft out, just getting ready to do some things, pull the transmission out, do the clutch. What I have here is I've got a sump that I'm going to be installing in my fuel tank. And what I'm going to do is the return that initially went into here from the FASS is now going to go into the draw straw. I'm probably going to drill the hole in the sump around this area here someplace. I do have a new filler neck ordered so I can get rid of this return. And when you put a FASS in, they have you cut and put this piece in here in your filler neck, and then your return from your pump goes in your filler neck. Since I'm going to be putting a sump in the bottom of my fuel tank and my feed from my pump is going to be coming out the bottom, I now have this port free that I'm going to be running my return from my pump. Now I'm still going to have my return from the engine here unless I decide to tee in and put them both the same place, then just cap both these off. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. I haven't decided. I do have a couple of things I'm gonna have to replace. I need some caps, some rubber caps to put on all these lines just so dirt and stuff don't get down in the tank. There is probably about, I would imagine, maybe 3 to 4 gallons of fuel left in the tank. I'm just gonna take and dump that. I don't want to use it. I don't know what's in the bottom of the tank. It is, you know, I stirred it up quite a bit, as you can see there in the beginning, just getting it out. So like I said, I got a new fill hose ordered. I may order, you can see how that sits just a little bit cocked on there. I may order a new retaining ring and possibly a seal. For right now, you know, we can take all this stuff off of here. I'm gonna take this my sending unit out, see what it looks like inside the pump. A lot of times on these draw straws from FASS, they will actually, let me do it this way. They will actually go down in the tank, kind of curve over and get mounted right inside the sump of the sending unit itself. And that possibly with the water that's in today's fuels, you know, that'll start to rust and deteriorate and stuff like that. So I want to take, and that's why I pulled my tank out to do this job. Ordinarily you don't have to. You drain your fuel down, you drill your 3-inch hole in the bottom of the tank, put your sump in, and you're good to go. But I just wanted to take just a little bit more precautions, see what's in my tank, clean it up good, and then also get all the shavings out there from drilling a hole. I do have to drill a 3-inch hole. My sump was purchased from Ohio Diesel Parts up, I believe it's the Cleveland area. They're online. I'll have a link in the description below for them. And then also there'll be a link to purchase that through Amazon is where I actually got it from. And Amazon? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, they have an Amazon store. They also sell on eBay. I put a link in the description below. It's Ohio Diesel Parts. Pretty good guys to deal with so far. I've had no complaints. And this is one of their sumps. Like I said, the sump is from Ohio Diesel Parts. And what we have, this is their sump that they've designed and come up with. It does have the drain right there in the center. But what I like best about their sumps, it has a 3-bolt design for the flange that goes inside the tank. So this will sit inside your tank. This will be the top side. This will be what's sandwiched on your tank. And then that sits right in there like that. And I guess what I like best is you have equal clamping pressure, you know, all the way around your sump. I mean, some of the sumps I've looked at out there, you know, you got to drill a zillion holes all the way around them. I didn't care for those. And then I saw these guys, right there's their stuff right there, OhioDieselParts.com. And they are available on eBay, on their website, and on Amazon. What I liked best about their sump was the equal clamping pressure all the way around. You know, with the ones you got to drill a zillion holes around, that's that much many more holes, that much more many. That's, you know, I don't know how you want to say it. You only have one hole with this. along with a lot of the other ones. You know, Beans Diesel, they make a nice sump. It's just a single bolt in the center. Thoroughbred, all of them make good sumps, don't get me wrong. I just like this one the best because of the 3 bolts. That's the only reason I chose it. And it comes with 2 different fittings for 3/8 and for 5/8. So I'll be using the 3/8. That's what I have on my supply. Right now I'm just gonna get this ring off of here tonight. I got my fuel tank out and see what's down inside there and basically go from there. I'm not going to be drilling a hole tonight. It's getting late, got to go inside, take care of some things inside, but for right now, I'll just take that apart and see what's in there. Well, I was wrong. This sump here is just the draw straw itself going clear down to the bottom of the tank. It wasn't the fast style sump like I thought it possibly was. So, anyway, we're still going to use that as the return, be a return from the back of the pump or from the front of the pump here. And then my feed will come out probably about, maybe, I'm not certain, right around in here someplace. And right, yeah, probably around in here someplace. So. All right, after fiddling around with that tank, trying to get all that fuel out of there, dumping some on the floor there and making a mess there, I do have all the fuel out of it. Gonna have to end for tonight, need to go inside and take care of some things. What we're gonna have here is, I'll continue tomorrow, and this is going to go probably about right in here, right in there someplace. My sending unit's right there, so I can put this like right in here, somewhere around in there. I got a band there and a band there that holds the fuel tank up in place. So, you know, and then here's my sending unit where it goes in, and then my fuel arm is just about right in here someplace. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. I'm gonna have my fuel return from my pump here. So I don't want, and that'll be below the surface of the fuel too, so you won't have any cavitation or, you know, bubbles from the fuel returning, so that'll be pretty good. But anyway, I'm gonna put that just about there. I'll drill that 3-inch hole tomorrow. Picked up a hole saw from work, 3-inch. These sumps from Ohio Diesel Parts are right around, I think, $55, $65, and the reason they sell them so cheap is they don't provide you with a hole saw. I have the ability at work, we have 3-inch hole saws, we have a bunch of different size hole saws, so I borrowed one of them from there, and also my dad has a bunch of them too, so I was able to grab that to be able to drill that hole in there. So yeah, I think that's gonna about do it for tonight, guys. I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, down in the description below is my links for all my parts, my logo links, and also a Patreon account. I do have some other things I'm working on in the future. I can't really divulge what they are yet, but I'm trying to get things set up. Hopefully that'll be this week sometime yet, maybe the beginning of the next week. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Once again, give me a like, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later on. Bye-bye.